Okay, gang, a quick run through on how to do the research. First off, how to access a incognito browser. I'm in Chrome here. You go up to the three dots in the corner up there, just choose new incognito window. If you're using Firefox or another browser, just search in the search box how to access a incognito browser on Firefox or whatever you need to do. But an incognito window basically is going to not take into account your search history. That's the idea. So that you get a unvarnished, if you will, look at how it works. So let's go to Amazon. Notice I'm not going to sign in because, again, when I sign into Amazon, then it's going to take my previous searches and previous purchases and count those in the results it sends me. I want to see as close to a natural view as I can. There is no one-way approach to the research. Basically, you'll find your own path, but there are certain things we're going to look at that are common. So first off, I want to go to books and choose books again, and then I get my categories here on the left. And notice I can choose, I can start narrowing it down here. So if I have a book that's about health, there you have the main category. But if it's also a health cookbook, then I'm going to have two here. And categories, departments, whatever you want to call them, they're called departments here. We drill down, let's say, to health, fitness, and dieting. Then I get to choose another closer to where I want to go. So let's say I'm doing men's health. Then I can just keep scrolling down. I can go as far as I want to go. So hair loss, prostate, sexual health, and impotence. Let's say I'm concerned about hair loss. I can go there, and then I can see what's ranking. I can check the covers. I can check the reviews. I can dive in here and do all the research I want to tell me what's selling best and where my book is going to fit in. Now, some of the important things, so let's take a look. Here's a top-rated Dr. Sebi's treatment book for all kinds of stuff. It's a #1 bestseller in herpes. There you have it. 3,341 rankings. This is incredible. And it's selling, let me see, 1,714 in all the books on Amazon. This thing's making a ton of money. And look at these categories: herpes, rheumatic diseases, detox and cleaning diets will be a big one. And it's ranking 5 there. So there's books ranking above it. So I want to get close to the topic of my book. I want to get down to see what the competition is, and then I just want to start checking these. I want to see how many reviews, what the price is, what the cover is like, what people are saying about it. I dig down into the reviews, and I'll actually read them and see about complaints, see about what they liked, what they didn't like. So, research is research, and it's basically you're looking for information that can help you in placing your own book. Now, I use a couple of tools that make this process considerably easier and quicker. You don't have to have the tools. It's, in some ways it's better to do it by hand. It takes quite a bit longer, but you sure learn a lot. But here's one of the tools. So I'm on this detox and cleansing diets page. I click on my tool and look what it does. It gives me a listing of the books, the page length, the price, estimated monthly sales, estimated monthly revenue, how many reviews, and what the sales rank is. So this lists them all out for me. And then I can go ahead and download that, export it as a file. And I'll do other things in here as well. If I want to go to keywords and say detox diet on keywords, It's going to tell me about how many competitors are. It's going to tell me about the monthly revenue. I can analyze this raw food. Let me analyze raw food detox diet. There's just all kinds of things in here I can do that are really quite helpful. And now it's pulling down more books that use this raw food detox diet. So again, I get sales rank, I get number of reviews, I get length, price. This is really a helpful tool. And I'm just showing you a little bit of it, of what it does. And I'll link to this for you here. Now here's a second tool. This one's different. It's a desktop application. Let me pull it up. I can go to a keyword search, let's say, and do a detox diet. And it's going to give me lots of possibilities. So let's stick with, let me see. Was I going to do the detox? Well, I'll just stick with the detox diet. Lots of ways to get at this. And then it's going to tell me that the average pages, competitors, average price, average monthly earnings, how tough it will be to get in there and work against that competition. So, this is just cool stuff. Again, so I've got author, how old the book is, how many pages, the price, the sales. This is monthly sales and daily sales. And, it's just fascinating using this sort of means of really examining what's going on Amazon. I am big on research. I use tools for research. I go at it without the tools. I mean, what's important is just that you do the research. Just that you do the research. Okay, so any questions, bring them up next workshop, and I'll see you soon.